The winner of tonight's $100,000 prize will go on to compete for the grand prize at the end of the season, a spectacular Disney Cruise Line vacation. And if you're someone who'd like to hear more details, well, I guess Christmas just came a little early.
Get ready to set sail on a magical Disney Cruise Line vacation to the Bahamas. This season, AFE's Grand Prize winner will experience the ultimate family vacation for 8, with 4 nights aboard the spectacular Disney Wish, where every moment is designed to spark joy and create long-lasting memories. Play the day away with some of your favorite Disney characters like Captain Mickey Mouse and Captain Minnie Mouse. Plus, imaginative dining turns every meal into an immersive experience, like enjoying dinner in the beautiful Kingdom of Arendelle from Frozen. And you'll love Broadway-style shows that light up the stage, including Disney The Little Mermaid. It's the perfect way for families to reconnect, adults to relax and unwind in exclusive spaces, and kids to interact with some favorite Disney stories like never before. And the magic doesn't stop there. Soak up the sun while you experience a day at Disney's private island, Castaway Cay. Disney Cruise Line, where magic meets the sea. Send your video to AFB for your chance to win this magical vacation.
The world is gonna end. This is not a drill. I repeat, this is not a drill. People call it Flood 2.0. You might have heard by the guy on TikTok named Noah. He said he got a vision from God saying the world is gonna end. We didn't believe him. Now this is our biggest regrets. There's no one escaping, but only if you're inside a boat or his boat. Now we will play our national anthem. If you're watching this with your kids, maybe play a game or play with your favorite toy with them. Now we will play God Save the Queen.